Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Today we have a fun one. I'm not sure if this one's a little late to the party or not. I know that most raves and festivals are kind of already done or they're in like a month. So I'm hoping that if you clicked on this video, you have a rave coming up and you can still make something for a rave this year. If not, then I guess people will just have to reference this for upcoming events next year. You've got plenty of time to make your rave outfits, okay? This video is 50 festival/rave crochet ideas, and I spent the extra time on this one to make sure that all 50 of these are free video or written patterns, okay? But they're 100% free. None of them you should have to pay for. So that's awesome. Who wants to pay for a crochet pattern for your outfit when you're already paying a bunch of money to actually go to a festival or a rave? So with that being said, before we get into categories, if any of these patterns are yours and you don't want them promoted in this video, please message me over on Instagram and I will take it out. Or if I'm linking it to the wrong shop or listing or website, also let me know over there and I can easily fix that issue. The categories I have for this video are tops, bottoms, and hats and head accessories. So we have 3 categories. As always, everything I show you is listed in the description box down below in the order that I say it, linked to a free video tutorial or written pattern. So let's jump into our first category, which is tops. First off, for tops, we have this cropped net thing we have going on. It's not part of the 50, but I decided to wear it for this video and realized that it could also be like a rave top. It's a cropped short sleeve little shrug. It's super cute. It's super airy. I don't get overheated in it. This is my personal pattern. I have a pattern for this one over on my shop. I will link it down below as well, along with everything else. Usually when I wear crochet items, I at least have like 20 of you who want to know where I got the pattern for it. So I'll link the pattern for this top down below as well with everything else. For tops, we have this kind of starfish flower looking halter top. We have this Happy Days halter top, which is kind of like a circle expanded in the center. I really like that one because you can play around with the colors a lot. You can wear this kind of flowy tank top. It has a little bit of like a baby doll style. It's super cute. So this flowy tank top, or even this bralette with a little tie in the front that kind of bunches up into a little bow. That's super cute. So I'm trying to make sure I have full coverage, partial coverage, less coverage kind of options for all of the different people who are going to be watching this video. You can make this granny square kind of vest where it's just one square in bigger size with some straps. And then I really liked this one. It's this net shrug, but it has fringe attached to it. I really like that. I like how it moves when you move. And then if you want to make something similar with fringe, but you don't want an entire like long sleeve fringe thing going on, you can make this shorter festival top that has the same fringe going on. You can make this kind of chevron striped halter top, or even this boho halter top that has some longer tassels covering your midsection. And it seems like you can really make these tassels however long you want them. So if you don't want them to cover your midsection, you can cut them shorter. You can also make this halter top, which looks like the halter cups for the top are kind of inward instead of the normal way. You can make this granny square top. It's more full coverage, and you can replace these you can replace these granny squares with any kind of granny square you want. So if you like the skull granny square, I have one of those tutorials on my channel. You can use that granny square. You can use literally any granny square to replace those. You can make this teal halter top. It's more of a basic festival top, or even this kind of like bikini top style. It's more revealing, but it still covers the important parts, so it's really cute. You can make this off the shoulder kind of bandeau top if that's more your style, or even this kind of off the shoulder like Lana Del Rey kind of style core. I think I found that one on like a Lana Del Rey concert Pinterest board. You can make this shell stitch top as well. I apologize for my voice. I don't know what's going on. I think I talked a lot yesterday or something. You can make this like net style long sleeve shrug, or even this like ruffled bunched bandeau top as well, or a mix of just like a normal crocheted sweater and that net one I just showed you. You can make this one. It's like best of both worlds. You get more coverage, but you get the airflow as well. This summer top is really cute because you can bunch it and it's got a little net going on, but it's really like less is more. So I like that one. And then this one was really cute. It's really detailed. It's the Cleo top. It's so, I love it. It reminds me of mermaids and the beach. So I really like this one. You can also make this one, which I want to say has a matching set bottom piece in the bottom section of this video, but it's this chevron granny stitch tank top, or even this one, which is a little like the other one, but it doesn't bunch in the middle, but it's still giving like beach mermaid vibes. You can make this really simple striped halter, or this kind of mesh top with solid right over your boobs so they're not visible. That was really cool. Or even this rainbow bell sleeve. I know we are past Pride Month, but you can always wear a rainbow, especially to raves and raves and festivals and stuff. So if you're in more of an area that you're not going to overheat, I would definitely make this rainbow bell sleeve. Or even this kind of like feather and fan stitch top as well is super cute. And then we get into the bottom section. I love this section. So you can make this really cute granny stitch skirt, or these sunflower granny square shorts, or even this really cute skirt that she seemed to use the waistband as like a ribbon, which is really cool, and make sure it stays on. You can make a mini skirt with a ruffle. I really like the ruffle look, especially in skirts, so that one's really cool. You can make this 3 pattern skirt, very simple, very cute. You can make some just basic striped shorts, as well as granny square skirts as well. And here is this chevron skirt that I talked about in the top section that had a matching piece. It's this chevron skirt. It's a longer skirt, but I'm sure you could make it shorter if you wanted to, just adjust the pattern to your liking. But it has little fringes on the bottom. It's super cute. You could make this mesh skirt if you want more of a simple skirt look. And then you can make this, it's called a webby skirt, I think it's called, or a flower skirt. I don't know, but it's super cute and it's a really good layering piece. So if you want to wear like a bikini set or something with not a lot of coverage, you can put it over to kind of give you that like illusion of coverage, but you know, without having actually covered stuff. You can make this granny square short. So we have granny square shorts and granny square skirts in this category. You can also make this flower skirt, which I don't have it in this video, but there is a flower sweater out there that has the exact same stitching as the skirt. If you want to make a matching set, you can make this wrap shorts. So it's shorts with a little wrap, so it kind of gives like the skirt effect in the back and the shorts in the front. Super cute. You could make this thigh laced skirt as well. I saw this and I immediately thought, okay, it's giving rave. You can make these high-waisted granny stitch shorts, or even just some basic shorts, okay? No frilled, basic shorts. And that is all I have for you for our bottom section. So let's jump into our last section, which is the hat and head accessories. I got bit by mosquitoes. I opened the door earlier and a mosquito flew in and bit me all over my foot. And now I'm very itchy. You can make this really basic, really simple. A cat is tearing up my carpet. I have to go. We're not tearing up carpet, Miss Thing. Princess is very clingy right now. She might end up here with us trying to get my attention because she's been following me all morning. For this category, we have a flower kind of crown vine. You can really wear it however you want. Accessory. We have this bucket hat that has a lot of airflow in it for our hotter festivals. You can make a granny square hat with any granny square you know how to make. You can make this crochet bandana that can be worn like 4 different ways, or 3 different ways. Oops, 3 different ways. You can make a checkered bucket hat, or even a basic crochet bandana just to get the job done, okay? And then we have this little more elaborate bandana if you're more advanced than a beginner, you know, bandana stitch. So that is all 50 of our festival / rave crochet ideas. All of them are free and they're listed in the description box below in the order that I showed you. I also have a Pinterest board. If you use Pinterest, they're all going to be linked in a Pinterest board. I'll put the board down below as well. Once again, if any of these patterns are yours and you don't want them promoted in this video, DM me over on Instagram, or if I'm linking them to the wrong spot, DM me over on Instagram and I can get it all fixed up for you, get it cut out of the video, whatever you want. Just DM me over there. It's a lot faster than emailing me or filing it with YouTube, because they don't get back to me for a really long time and it all just gets really messy. So just DM me and I can get it done really quick. Other than that, you can follow me over on Instagram if you want to know what videos are coming up, or if you want to suggest a video or something like that, follow me over there, okay? But other than that, I will see you in the next video. Bye!